Another quick video today on the smart car and a little product found to improve the driving of this car. Love the little car, hate this damn mirror at night. This is one of the most glaring mirrors you've ever seen on the smart car. When there's a car behind you with its headlight high beams on, I mean, it just glares all to hell, and then you turn the anti-glare on and it's complete garbage. One of the worst mirrors I've ever seen, actually. And Kitbest was nice enough to send me this anti-glare clip-on mirror that just goes over top of the old one. And as you can see, it's got this blue anti-glare coating, kind of like the Mercedes automatic dimming rear view mirrors. They have that anti-glare coating on them that comes on electronically. Well, this one's got it built in all the time. And I'll put a link in the description down below on where you can get this. I was told by Kitbest, don't even put the price on, mention the price in the video because it's so damn low. They don't know how they can keep it that low for so long. They don't know how long they can keep it that low, sorry. So I'm not going to tell you how cheap it is, but man, on Amazon Prime with shipping, it is almost nothing. So here's the mirror. It's convex, meaning it bows outwards and gives you a wider view. And it simply has two little feet on top that are spring-loaded and clips over top of your mirror. Installing it is this easy. Just have to center it. And there you go. And it's, like I said, it's tinted. It's got this blue tint. If I move over to where I'm looking, you get to look right at me. Yeah, yay. I don't know if I'm going to use it in this car. I might probably just use this in my son's Ford Ranger, because with the Smart being so small and narrow, I'm going to be looking at myself all the time, and I don't want to do that. But the anti-glare, oh God, I'll probably keep it. The anti-glare properties are probably worth having to look at my ugly mug all the time. But yeah, it really, really cuts down on glare. I tried it out and then put it back in the box so I could show you opening it. But it really, really worked well for keeping glare down. I don't even need to turn the anti-glare feature on anymore. And yeah, check the product description down below and where to find it on Amazon. And thank you very much for watching.